In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to loop in Adobe Express. By the end, you'll know how to take a short clip and make it repeat smoothly, perfect for background visuals, social posts, or animated headers. First, open the Adobe Express app on your computer, give it a moment to load to the home screen. Make sure you're logged in so your project's saved correctly and you have access to your assets and media libraries. If you see a prompt to sign in, go ahead and do that before continuing. On the left side of the home screen, you'll notice options like Your Stuff and Start New Design. If you already have a project you want to loop inside, you could open it from Your Stuff. For a fresh start, click Start New Design. This sets up a clean workspace for the loop we're creating. Next, choose an orientation from the available sample presets. Pick the one that suits your destination: landscape for widescreen videos, portrait for stories and reels, or square for classic social posts. Don't worry, you can adjust the size later, but choosing a good starting orientation helps your layout fit from the beginning. With your canvas ready, head to the upper left of the screen and click Add Content. This is your gateway to bringing in media. In the panel that opens, select Media and then choose Videos. You can use your own footage, browse stock, or grab one of the available sample clips to practice. Now drag a video onto your canvas. You should see it appear in the main preview area and also as a layer in the timeline at the bottom. That timeline is where the looping magic happens. Look for the video layer, then hover over the right edge until you see a handle. Click and drag the end of the clip to the right. As you extend it, Adobe Express repeats the clip, effectively creating a loop. Keep dragging until the total duration is exactly what you need, maybe a few seconds for a background loop or longer for a full post. Press play to preview. If the loop feels jumpy, try choosing a clip with consistent motion and minimal scene changes, or trim a tiny bit off the start or end to smooth the transition. If your clip has audio and you notice a pop between repeats, consider muting it for a clean visual loop. That's it. You opened Express, signed in, started a new design, picked an orientation, added a video, and extended the layer to loop it. Save your project, and you're ready to use your seamless loop wherever you need it.